Camouflage, camouflage, it's how I hide my thoughts for you.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Camouflage by Boywithuke. This is highly requested and highly debatable apparently, but I have the chords for you guys and I have a strumming pattern that sounds pretty much like the song, but let's do this. Oh. The first thing you want to do is grab your ukuleles. Make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A standard ukulele tuning, and you can learn it without a capo, but it recommends that you have it on the 2nd fret. Don't worry if you don't have a capo, put a pencil here with rubber bands around the back, keeping it tight, and as long as all the strings ring out, it'll work. So there's 4 chords in the song, and let's go ahead and learn them real quick. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like this stuff, and if you wanted to see more stuff that I do, then I have other videos, and I also have a gaming channel, so yeah, check that out. Alright, so the order that I'm going to give you these chords is the order that you play them in the song, starting with G. So, middle finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret, ring finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. The chord after that is a B, so you want to bar this 2nd fret, put your middle finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the top string of the 4th fret. The chord after that is a C, which is just 1 finger on this bottom string of the 3rd fret. And the final chord is a C minor, which is these 3 strings on the bottom of the 3rd fret. I like to just bar it with 1 finger, but you could use 3 fingers if you like that better. So, in order, G, B, C, and C minor. Now let's get to the awesome strumming pattern. Alright, so the strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. That's down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So down, down, up, and then 3 up, down, ups. So starting with G, it'll sound like this. Then to B, then to C, and then C minor. So it's pretty easy, but if you haven't done a strumming pattern like that before, I would just practice it really slow while switching the chords, get used to switching the chords, and then just practice that strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so let's go ahead and try to sing a little bit of Camouflage by Boywithuke.
It always starts with my heart, I can feel it go. Skip 2 beats, a few days, a few weeks. I get obsessed, I get stressed, feel the weight on my chest. It's too much to bear, I don't care, so I wear camouflage, camouflage, it's how I hide my thoughts for you. I feel so awful when I run, but it's harder knowing that you weren't the one.
How's that? Well, I hope this helped you guys learn how to play Camouflage by Boywithuke. This has been heavily requested by you guys, so I really do hope it helps, and I will be posting a short of this, and I'm also going to be doing some covers of Boywithuke songs. I think the first one I'm going to do is Before I Die, and then I'll try and figure out which songs I'm doing after that. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.